Hello everyone, I'm working with my new project. It's UV resin and fresh leaf project. And a few days ago I went out for a walk and found some leaves that I can use with my angel project. And I picked some of these. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator to keep them fresh. I also find some different type of leaf that I can use. This is I think it's the wild strawberry leaf. I found the other leaves that look like this. I'm a person that when I start a new project, I always find something on the way, anywhere that I can use with my project. So let's start with my new angel design. First step, start by placing a piece of double-sided tape onto a piece of a board. Then carefully place the leaf onto the board. Cut off the stem. Before next step, clean the leaf with alcohol or water. Gently dab the leaf with the clean towel. Next step, with Vaseline, apply a thin layer on the leaf. The Vaseline is a release agent, make it very easy to separate the resin from the leaves. For the next step, apply a thin layer of resin just to cover the leaf and as your design. After that, cue the piece. You can apply 2 or 3 layers or so many as you like, but for me, I apply 3 layers totally. When you have enough of layers, time to separate the resin from the leaf, and this step is my favorite part. Use a needle tool or X-Acto knife, carefully separate the pieces. It's so satisfying when the piece came out cleanly. For the next step, use alcohol to wipe off the remaining of the Vaseline. Then let it dry for a few minutes before the next step. To paint the angel, attach the piece onto a board with double-sided tape and fix it in place. For the paint, I use chrome pens in gold and silver for the wings and glitter gel for the body. After the color has dried, apply one or more layers of resin. You can apply on both sides of the piece, then cure it thoroughly. For the next step, on the top at the center of the piece, drill a hole. The next step is decorations, but it's optional. I use jewelry findings and rhinestone to decorate my angels. For me, this step is fun because I like bling and I love decorations. And this is the finished look. Time to assemble the angels. This step needs some basic experience of jewelry making. And these are the complete look of my angels. For the hangers, you can make your own wire hook for the angels, or you can use the chain or some thread. And this is how I made the angel from fresh leaf and UV resin. I like this project very much. It's easy and fun. I can't stop making them. I hope I have inspired you to start this project yourself. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.